To fix the Instagram highlight loading problem, start by checking your internet connection, as a stable connection is necessary for Instagram to load properly. Ensure that your Wi-Fi or mobile data is working correctly and try reloading the highlights. Next, check for any updates for the Instagram app in the App Store, as outdated versions can cause loading issues. Update the app to the latest version and see if the problem persists. Clearing the app cache can also resolve the issue, as accumulated cache can slow down the app. Go to your device settings, find the Instagram app, and clear the cache. This will remove any temporary data stored by the app. If the problem still exists, try logging out of your Instagram account and then log back in. This can refresh your account and resolve any loading issues. To do this, go to your profile, click on the 3 lines, and select Settings. Then click on Log Out. Another solution is to check if the highlights are loading on a different device or browser, to determine if the issue is device-specific. If the highlights load on another device, the problem may be with your device or app. Additionally, check if there are any issues with the specific highlight itself, such as if it is a new highlight or if it has been edited recently. Try loading an older highlight to see if the problem is specific to one highlight. Finally, if none of the above steps work, consider uninstalling and reinstalling the Instagram app, as this can resolve any underlying issues with the app. This should be a last resort, as you will need to log back in and set up your account again. By following these steps, you should be able to fix the Instagram highlight loading problem and access your highlights without any issues. Remember to always keep your app updated and clear the cache regularly to prevent loading issues in the future.